In today's video, we're going to look at the find function in Excel. Now, what the find function does, it returns the position of a piece of text and it gives you a number of where that text is inside another text string. If it can't find the piece of text, you'll get an error message, and the formula also works in a case-sensitive way. So the case of what you're looking for has an impact on the outcome of the formula. So this is a kind of function that you're generally going to use in combination with other functions when you're using it in a formula, but it's helpful to look at how the function works just using the function in isolation, which is what we're going to do here. So we've got a small table of data here, and what we're going to do is find and return the number of where this text is in this cell here. So where E is in this cell, where L is in this cell, etc. And we're also going to look at what happens to produce errors when this function won't give you the correct answer. So if we do equals find, open it up, and then we're going to specify our find text, which is this cell here, cell A4, and then our within text, which is this cell here. Now we also have the option of a start number, which we'll come on to in a minute. So if we hit enter, we can then see that F is the first character here, which is pretty clear to see. And then if we were to drag these down, what you'll notice is we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because this is just field spelt like that. So obviously D is the last letter in the 5-letter word, so we get 5. L is the 4th letter, so we get 4, etc. Now we get the value error here because here we're looking for a capital F, but there is no capital F here. We only have a lowercase f, and as I mentioned, it's a case-sensitive function, so that's why we're getting the error there. So it's useful as a function if you want to check if a character is following a specific case within a text string. It also works for sort of non-letters or numbers. So here we just have a hyphen, and we can see how that's picked up this one here, which is the number 2 text piece of text. So we get 2 there. And obviously, if we have a text, so G, which is not in the text that we're searching at all, we'll also get the value error too as well. And here we can see it's working with a number, so we get 8 looking in here, and we can see that's the second number, 487, so we get 2 there. So just to use the start number example, we've got this example here. So here we have 2 F's. So let's say we wanted to skip this first part, the F and the hyphen. Just an illustration here, doesn't really mean anything, F hyphen field, but just wanted to show it as an example. So if we were to add in the start number part to this function, so we're going to do comma, and then we'll start from the second character in. We then get the value of 3. Now that's because it's skipped this first one. It started counting from here. So we're getting 3 because it's the third one. So rather than returning number 1, it's returning 3 because we're skipping that first one. So that's just a quick example of the find function and how it works. As I say, probably going to be using it in combination with other functions a lot of the time, but good to have an understanding of the way it works. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.